నేను యాక్చువల్గా ఇంగ్లీష్లో బాగా ఫ్లూయెంట్గా మాట్లాడతాను తెలుగు కంటే. బట్ ఇక్కడ రామూర్తి గారు మాట్లాడిన తర్వాత ఆయనకి దాహం వేసిందో లేదో నాకు నిజంగా దాహం వేసింది నీళ్ళు తాగాలని. అందరు కొట్టేశారు సార్ మీరు. సో రెస్పెక్టెడ్ ఆల్ ద డిగ్నిటరీస్, రెస్పెక్టెడ్ ఆల్ ద పేరెంట్స్, రెస్పెక్టెడ్ ఆల్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ who are attended here today for the orientation program. So very good morning all of you. And today marks a very important beginning in your life. Yes, stepping into engineering is not just about joining a college. It is about entering a new chapter of responsibility, learning and self-discovery. You all need to be discover yourself, what you can do the best in your career, in your education, right? So this orientation is not only introduce you to your academic journey, but also to help you understand the values of discipline, teamwork and integrity, which will shape your career and your future. As a student counselor, I say always keep your mind open and ready to learn. So be curious, ask questions and never stop exploring. Choose the right friends who encourage you to grow well, and because your company will shape your future. So discipline is the key to success. Do not allow bad habits to enter your life. Respect your teachers, respect your classmates, and most importantly, respect yourself first. Motivate yourself. Don't be See, if life means there is a lows and ups are very common. So mental health is very important in our life as a physical health we take care of, right? So respect yourself always. Try to understand others. So support one and another and never make fun or blame anyone unnecessarily, because like other only we also, right? So one of the small poetry I'd like to read here about the education, why we are entered in the education field and what is the power of that. Education is your power. It shapes your tomorrow. Education is your strength. It lifts you from sorrow. Education is your energy, a light in the light. Yes, education is your focus to make your future bright. Education is your courage to face every test. Education is your shield to give you the best. Education is your wings to fly high and far. Education is your compass, your guiding star. Education is your tool to build and to create. Education is your weapon to conquer your fate. So education is your treasure, no thief can take away, right? So education is your wisdom, the best choice to make. Education is your future, so hold it with care. Education is your identity, it will take you anyway. So విద్యే జీవన దీపం, అది వెలిగిస్తే అంధకారం నశిస్తుంది. విద్యే నీ శక్తి, విద్యే నీ గమ్యం చేరుస్తుంది. కాలేజ్ లైఫ్స్ gives you many choices. Some paths distract you, addictions, so wasting of time and negative company, peer pressures. But some paths shape you, discipline, focus, friendships and creativity. So most probably what you can't do it means don't waste the time. Time will not be come back again. Time management in our life is very very precious. It will not come back again. So each second is very important in our life to take care of our education and then balancing of our family and taking care of the parents and around us who are all staying and make everybody happy. So once we have been spoken some words, we cannot retrieve it. So be careful while speaking some words and triggers. So almost some triggers will be happen in our life. It's okay. Just be calm during that times. Take some breathing relaxation techniques. When you are angry, just move on. That's it. So choose wisely, because the choices you make today decide you tomorrow. So remember, enjoy your college life, laugh, make friends and take part in activities, but never forget why you are here and to learn, to grow and to succeed. As a counselor and psychologist, I guide students in academics but also for their emotions, challenges and well-being. So seeing all the parents here with the children, I'm really feeling very good, because the parents, I request all the parents, please talk with your students what is happening in the college, what they are feeling very guilty, why they are very low. So if they are like కొంచెం డల్గా ఉన్నారంటే ఏమైందిరా అని అడగండి ఇంట్లో. సో బికాస్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ వీ డోంట్ నో వాట్ డెసిషన్ దే ఆల్ టేక్ కేర్. So you all please take care of your children, observe them what they are doing. So if they are sitting inside the room long time, just knock the door and watch it, observe what they are doing. That is the main thing parents has to be do it. Of course our director already what are the points I have to be convey, all has been informed. So I'm shortly completing this. So students, promise yourself today, I will use my education to grow, I will respect my responsibility, and I will shine a proud engineer. So thank you and welcome to this wonderful journey. All the best for the students. Yeah, thank you so much.